I'm going to show you how to do two different design options within the same Revit family. Specifically, we're looking at this kitchen cabinet here, which has got two different handle types. Now this has a whole host of different applications you could use this for, and it's actually really easy to know. Let's jump into it. Let's start with a new family. So go File, New Family, and I'm just going to create a metric generic model. Now I'll just be simply modeling a couple of things up just to show how the principle works, and then we can show how we can level it up later. So I'm going to start with an extrusion, and I'm simply just going to do a rectangle or a square, and then I'm going to do another one, create extrusion, and I'm going to do a circle, just so we can differentiate them. These are effectively our two different design options. We've got a square and we've got a circle. In order for this to work, you need to have a visibility parameter for both of them. If I select my circle and come over to the properties here, and under visible, I select the gray rectangle here and create a new parameter. We'll just call this circle, and it needs to be an instance parameter. Okay, and now we'll do exactly the same thing for the rectangle. Over to visible, select the gray box, and we'll do rectangle. It would help if I could spell. And again, instance parameter, okay. You need to go into the family types dialog here. And you can see here, there's the two parameters that we've created, circle and rectangle. Now the formula to show one and not the other, effectively, is this. You just need to type not, open bracket, and then you select one of the options, rectangle, close bracket. Now it needs to be exactly the same spelling. You can copy it in if that helps. And you can see here, in terms of visibility, this one is ticked and this one isn't. And if I wanted that one, then I just untick that one. All this formula is doing is just saying that this one is going to be present when this one isn't. So this is the driving parameter. And if I tick that, then that one unticks, and vice versa. Pretty simple stuff. If you go into 3D view here, preview visibility. Now this is a very handy tool for building families. It basically shows you what it would look like within the Revit environment if you alter your parameters. So you can see here, circles ticked, rectangle, that appears there. Nice and simple. Now, if you're going to level this up, I'm going to show you a kitchen unit and how we could apply a few different things to that. Over here in this kitchen unit family, we've got a couple of different design options in here. We've got one to open and close the door. Now exactly the same principle here. We've just got open door, and in the formula here we've got not, open bracket, close door, close bracket. Nice and simple. We've also got one here for the handle type. We've got two different design options within this family here, this nested component. If I tick bow handle, if I untick bow handle, then the other type of handle appears, and vice versa. A nice simple way of having two different design options within the same Revit family. Thanks for watching.